Hi, this is Daniel. Today we're going to look at a Python script to parse the affiliation information of a publication into predefined categories. The input is a text string of affiliation, which can be commonly accessed in Scopus or Web of Science exported files. And with this script, you are able to check affiliation information at different granularities. For example, uh, we have an address string here. It says Birmingham Acute Care Research Group. It actually has institute information, college information, university, city, and country. And with this script, you're able to separate those information into its own categories. Like the university, we have University of Birmingham, and we have college information, institute information, division, regional city, and country.